Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro M1219 series printer on your Windows laptop, tablet, or desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search your HP LaserJet Pro M1219 printer support, and you want to search for that. Best results, you come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro M1213NF/M1219NF multifunction printer. Go ahead and open up that link. And now it's going down underneath the support category that says software and drivers. Go ahead and select that tile from the list. And then just going down a little bit on this page, there should be a section underneath driver product installation software. You may need to expand it to see all the items under here. And there should be an item that says HP LaserJet full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and then you want to proceed with the on-screen wizard here that appears. Select either easy or advanced install, and then you can select your HP LaserJet Pro 1219 from the list. And then once you've made your selection, you want to go ahead and just select next. And then you want to select either if you want to configure via the network or USB, you can, and then select next again, and then just proceed with this wizard here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.